Today we've had a group of school children come over from Holyrood High School in Edinburgh, and the purpose of it is to challenge their perception of construction and let them see what we do at Best. Take them through and show them our innovation centre, let them see some of the projects that we're working on at the moment, and show them that construction might not be what they think it is.
Daydream Believers is about planting and placing creativity right across the curriculum, and we have created a bank of free classroom ready resources that our teachers can download and use for any class at any level. And we are excited about using creativity to take on the wicked challenges that our young people need to think about and to solve at the minute.
To give them these experiences early on helps them work out what could they do, how could they make a difference, and just gets them thinking that little bit more of things that they possibly weren't aware of previously.
We're very guilty in education of people kind of going into silos, so we have a kind of preconceived idea about the kind of young people that might be interested in careers in the built environment. And today is about saying, you know, those careers are changing, those opportunities are changing, there's different kind of opportunities opening up for our young people. And if they can think differently, if they can be creative, if they can be brave, then there's no amount of challenges that they can solve.
For us coming through here, it was the opportunity to bring first years kind of out of the classroom and put things into real world context, to challenge their way of thinking, to put things into real life situations for them as well. Obviously they've been learning about construction here, but not in the kind of preconceived ideas of what they already have about construction and how it is, and obviously kind of how technology is changing. When they leave school, there's going to be a lot more of this going on. It's not going to be the traditional way that we see things now and how we potentially had it before we went into work. So to give them these opportunities and to see these real life things happening around them is absolutely invaluable for us.
I kind of like the robots that just like do everything for you with like coding and stuff. I wouldn't expect it to be like this big. I wouldn't expect the workshop to be big as well, because the workshops in my school are small.
I always thought it would just be like really loud and, you know, always outside working with like loud noises and all that. I didn't think much of it. It completely changed. I didn't think they would work inside. I thought mostly just like people who chopped up wood, like lumberjacks, just did all that.
I would want to be an animal scientist, but if that doesn't really turn out to be what happens, I'll probably do this.